What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. This video was made for you. Yes, I'm talking to you. You are somebody who wanted to start a YouTube channel and for whatever reason have not. So I am creating this video to explain to you why I feel like you are choosing to stay broke by not creating a YouTube channel. Now guys, I am so excited to make this video, and if you stick around till the very end, I'm going to show you my exact YouTube analytics from my dashboard and show you exactly what a small YouTube channel like mine makes and the amount of views and subscribers that I brought in just this year alone. It's a little over halfway through the year, and I'm going to show you what 6 months on YouTube looks like for my channel. So make sure you stick around till the end. But in this video, I am going to share with you 3 of my top reasons why I believe you are choosing to stay broke. And it all has to do with starting a YouTube channel.
Here's how much money YouTube pays me as a small YouTuber. As you can see, I have 5,130 subscribers. I only have 12 full videos and then a few shorts. And from that, I've made $987.
Making $1,000 on YouTube does not require you to have millions of views. You can very easily get 30,000, 50,000 views and still be making $1,000 a month.
Here's how much I made as a brand new small creator on YouTube. $8,518.83.
Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April.
This is how much money YouTube pays me with over 10,000 subscribers. $116 in the last 28 days, $552 in the last 90 days.
Now guys, I get on TikTok or I get on social media and I see all these people talking about how much they were able to make as a small YouTube channel. And it makes me just want to pat myself on the back and hug myself for taking the initiative and starting my channel. So I really wanted to create this video to motivate you guys to stop the delay and get started on your YouTube channel now. YouTube has given us an amazing opportunity to basically monetize a passion of ours, a hobby of ours, a journey of ours. Anything we want to talk about can be turned into a YouTube channel and essentially turned into a business. There is so much money to be made on YouTube, and that is why I believe you are choosing to stay broke by not starting a channel. YouTube is a side hustle. YouTube can be done from the comfort of your home, and YouTube can be done after hours, after you finish your full-time job. But the crazy thing is, over time and through consistency and hard work, your YouTube channel or your business could essentially take over your full-time income and go beyond it. YouTube gives you some crazy potential. YouTube gives you the ability to turn something that you enjoy doing into money. It basically prints money, and that's why I just cannot believe that you are taking this long to start a YouTube channel. It's so crazy to me, the kinds of channels that exist, and I strongly believe that there are so many new channels and new niches that are still to come about. We haven't talked about every single thing possible yet. So guys, embrace it, be yourself, step outside of your comfort zone, and start your YouTube channel. Now, the very first point that I want to bring up in this video as to why you need to start a YouTube channel and stop staying broke is because YouTube allows you to create something and create a business over essentially anything. And it's normally something you enjoy, something you're passionate about, something that you know a lot about, something that will make you happy. Now, a lot of people stress out and struggle with their job and get so overwhelmed and put in a bad headspace because of work. But something like YouTube, where you get to talk about what you like, where you get to share your passion, where you get to basically be you and do you, the opportunity is right here in front of you. Now, a lot of people will say that maybe they're not smart enough or they're not funny enough to start a YouTube channel. Well, guys, I'm here to tell you that not everybody goes on YouTube just to learn or for entertainment. People flock to YouTube to follow you on a journey. People come to YouTube to relax and to watch something chill or listen to something chill, to find motivation and to seek comfort and help. There are so many other reasons that people come to YouTube, so there's gotta be a reason that you can start your YouTube channel. Another thing that I want to talk about is a lot of people might say they're not good enough for YouTube or they don't have the skills to start a YouTube channel. And guys, I feel like nobody can say that unless they've really started a channel and really stayed consistent with it. Because I don't think anybody really has the skills. Once you start, you slowly learn more and more. After every upload, you gain a little bit more knowledge and a little bit more information on how to do YouTube. And it gets a little bit easier every time. So I strongly suggest that you get over the fear, you stop overthinking, and you get out of your own head and you start that YouTube channel. Another really cool thing about YouTube is that everybody who has ever started YouTube, even the top YouTubers, what they talk about on their channel now might not be what they started with. Maybe they had no idea that that was the path their YouTube journey was going to take them on. So by you starting today talking about who knows what, a couple years down the line, you could be talking about something totally different, some kind of totally different topic, and who knows, right? You don't know until you give it a try, until you start your channel and you see where it goes. There are people on YouTube talking about the most ridiculous things. There are people who open trading card packs and unbox shoes and unbox products. There are people that play with toys and games, and they are able to make substantial amounts of money doing so. So if they were able to find something, I believe if you have the thought of starting a YouTube channel, you're going to find what you're good at as well. Now, the second thing I want to talk about why you need to start your YouTube channel and stop staying broke, is because YouTube has the lowest barrier of entry. Everybody nowadays has a smartphone, and you can start a YouTube channel with simply just your smartphone. You can record video, edit video, and upload straight from your mobile device. And so essentially, if you have a phone, you can start a channel. You don't need a fancy camera, fancy microphone, crazy lighting, or a crazy backdrop. You can simply go outside in your room and create a video from your phone. There is no initial investment or amount of money that you have to put towards YouTube to start it up. There's no startup costs and no inventory, nothing. YouTube's barrier to entry is almost zero, and so there is no excuse why you shouldn't start a channel. The main thing that you need to start a channel is the courage. The courage to press record, the courage to sit in front of the camera, talk and record yourself, and then edit it and post it. That's the main thing you need to start a channel, and it's free. Courage is absolutely free. You don't have to buy it. In fact, you can't buy it, but that is something that is absolutely amazing, and I think people really should take advantage of with YouTube. Another thing about the low barrier to entry is you almost need zero skills and zero talent either. You can start a YouTube channel and you can slowly learn as you go. You can learn to edit, you can learn to record, and you can learn how to use a camera over time. But if you continue to not do this and not start your YouTube channel, staying broke financially isn't the only way that you're going to stay broke. You're going to stay broke knowledge-wise. You're going to stay broke in your mindset. Everything is going to be broke by you not starting a channel. Low barrier to entry is amazing, so take advantage of it right now. Now, the third and final point that I want to bring up as to why you need to start your YouTube channel and stop staying broke is the longevity of YouTube videos and the high or the long shelf life that YouTube videos have. Compared to other social media sites like Instagram and Facebook, when you post content on those types of platforms like Instagram and Facebook, the content only lasts maybe a few days. But YouTube, you can continue earning on those videos, and you will continue seeing views on those videos for 10, 20, 30 plus years down the road. And that's astonishing. That's actually mind-blowing. And you can watch other YouTubers, or you can check out YouTubers who have been doing YouTube for a very long time, and you will see that they are still gaining views on videos from years and years ago. I, who started YouTube over a year ago, am still getting views on some of my earlier day content. Those videos are still making me money. Those videos are still bringing me in subscribers, and that's crazy. I also, when I show you my analytics, have a video that I did a few months back that maybe got a couple hundred views at the time. But slowly, throughout the course of this year, I have gotten to over 30,000 views on this video. So YouTube videos tend to just hit and pop off whenever they feel like it. So you have to make content and stay consistent and be in this for the long haul. And you guys, the potential is crazy. You will continuously make money on all your past videos forever, for years. And so the longevity of YouTube is crazy and something that definitely needs to be taken advantage of. So I hope this was enough information to really motivate you and to show you that starting YouTube is a choice, and so is staying broke. And by you not starting a YouTube channel, you are truly choosing to stay broke, because YouTube's potential is something unlike anything I have ever seen. Yes, it's a little bit discouraging in the very beginning stages of your YouTube journey, but seeing how much people are able to make as a small channel, I'm talking 3, 5,000, 10,000 subscribers, that should show you how feasible a YouTube channel is. That should get you excited for you getting your first check and making your first amounts of money as a YouTuber. This is something that's not out of reach, and anybody can do it. So guys, I really encourage you to, when this video is over, make sure you stay till the end, but when this video is over, go start your YouTube channel. So now the last thing that I want to show you, and I want to end this video off on, is showing you my true analytics from my small YouTube channel. So let me share my screen with you and show you my analytics. Alright, so this is the back end of my YouTube channel. All I did was go to this side right here, and I changed it to 2024 to show you from January to now. We're a little over halfway through the year, so that's why I decided to show you guys these analytics. So starting off with the views, I have 114.3 thousand views in just 2024. That's crazy to me. Another reason that this is pretty crazy is because I've only uploaded 20 videos this year. And a lot of those didn't get as many views as videos did last year. But this is taking into account all of the videos that I do have on my YouTube, which is a little over 100 videos. So 114.3 thousand views. Now watch time, that brings me to 13,000 watch hours just this year alone, which is crazy because to get monetized you need 4,000 watch hours, and I remember struggling to hit that. But just in these 6 months of this year, I have 13,000 watched hours. I have gained 2.7 thousand subscribers just this year alone, 6 months. That's 25% more than last year. So I'm up in almost everything. In views, 12% more. In watched hours, I'm up 47%, and in subscribers, I'm up 25%. Now I know you want to know how much money this brought in, so this year alone I have made $1,991.26. Now I know the money is a little discouraging, but there's a lot of reasons for that. I've only uploaded 20 videos this year. A lot of my videos have been live streams, and live streams don't do well over time. Live streams just do good in the moment, and they do help watch hours and views, but they don't really help with the revenue. Now, another thing is I just haven't been uploading content as consistently as I would like. I started up again doing 2 videos a week, but for a long part of the year, I was really inconsistent. I would maybe get 1 video up a month, or, every 2 weeks I would throw up a video, but they weren't very thought out videos. They weren't very sought after topics. And so I really feel like this was a slack off year, or like this was slack off time for me. The first 6 months of the year, I didn't work on my YouTube as much as I wish I would have, but my YouTube channel has still been able to generate these kinds of results and these kind of analytics, so it's very encouraging. And as you can see right here, I only have a total of 6,293 subscribers. I'm really going to make it my goal to try to hit 10,000 by the end of the year and try to figure out how to make my content better and get more engagement, get more views, and get more subscribers. So real quick before I end off this video, I wanted to show you that this video I made in on September 20th of 2023 which only had a couple hundred views at the time or last year, has slowly started to creep up, and now so many people have been watching it. It has 33,141 views. This video alone has generated me $519. So that's crazy, because this video is going to be up on my channel forever. And so it's going to continuously get views, continuously make money, and help me gain subscribers. And what's funny is this video alone would have gotten me monetized. It has 4.2 thousand watched hours. So very cool, something that I'm really happy to share with you guys, and I love talking about. YouTube is crazy, and the potential is seriously endless. Anybody can see these kinds of results. I'm not anybody special, and I don't have any crazy skills or talents. So I really hope you go off and start your YouTube channel and your YouTube journey. So guys, if you liked today's video, please make sure you smash the like button down below, turn on post notifications, and subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a ton, and it just means so much to me. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you're going to make the conscious choice and the conscious decision to go start this awesome journey of yours on YouTube, and stop thinking about it. Stop getting in your own head and talking yourself out of it. Go start your YouTube channel today. Well guys, like I always like to say, we are going to do amazing things together, including starting that YouTube channel. So get out of here, go start your channel, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye!